What to bring for a month abroad? When planning for a long trip, it can feel like solving a puzzle. How do you manage to pack up your luggage for a month without forgetting your essential stuff and overloading your suitcase? We welcome you to 7 Seas Holidays. We are about to simplify your travel planning. We offer you all-inclusive tailor-made packages for your family trips to beautiful spots all around the world. Whether you're heading to the sun-soaked beaches of the Maldives, exploring the rich culture of Cyprus, or diving into the crystal-clear waters of Mauritius, this packing guide will ensure you're prepared for the adventure of a lifetime. Let's get started. 1. Clothing. Plan smart and pack light. Of course, we will start with clothes. When you are packing for a month-long trip, versatility is the key. What's the secret? Well, try sticking to a color palette so you can mix and match your outfits seamlessly. Here is the checklist for you to get started. For family travelers, ensure you pack weather-appropriate clothing for kids and enough layers to adapt to varying climates. If you're visiting the Canary Islands or Barbados, lightweight fabrics and breathable materials are a must for staying comfortable. 8 to 10 tops. Choose a mix of casual t-shirts, blouses, and a few dressier options. 5 to 7 bottoms. Pack jeans, shorts, skirts, or trousers depending on your destination's weather. 1 to 2 lightweight sweaters or cardigans for layering. A durable jacket, essential for unpredictable weather, even in tropical locales. Comfortable shoes, sneakers for walking, sandals for the beach, and 1 dressy pair. Are you still confused about where to start with your trip planning? 7 Seas Holidays is offering tailor-made packages right according to your needs. With the advice of experts on what to pack and expect, head over to our website to start your dream destination trip planning with our family holidays packages. 2. Toiletries and personal care. Keep it simple. Less is always more when it comes to toiletries. Always try to go for travel size packaging. You know, they are there for a reason. Try buying some items locally to save up your space. Here is the list of what you need to include. Multipurpose soap or shampoo. Saves space and can be used for both body and hair. Sunscreen. A must for sunny spots, like the Dominican Republic or Greece. Moisturizer and lip balm to combat dry air during flights. A compact first aid kit. Include band-aids, antiseptic wipes, and pain relievers. Prescription medications. Pack enough for your trip plus a little extra. 3. Tech and travel gadgets. Stay connected and organized. Technology can always make it or break it when it comes to traveling. Here's the list of must-have gadgets. A universal power adapter, crucial for multi-country trips. Portable chargers. Keep your devices powered during long sightseeing days. Noise-canceling headphones, perfect for flights or unwinding in busy areas. Travel-friendly tablet or e-reader for entertainment on the go. Packing cubes. These will save you so much time and space when unpacking and repacking. At 7 Seas Holidays, the trips are planned according to you, so you can focus on the only things that mattered, enjoying your time with your close ones. Whether it's an adventure to Sri Lanka or a relaxing stay at St. Lucia, all your details will be taken care of. Go to our website and book family-friendly packages right away. 4. Important documents. The essentials for hassle-free travel. Your documents are supposed to be the prime foundation of your tour. Here is what you must carry with you. Passport. Always check its expiration date well before you travel. Copies of your passport and travel insurance. Keep 1 copy in your luggage and 1 digitally. Visa documents, if required for destinations like the UAE or Bali. Printed itineraries. Great for areas with unreliable internet. Hotel confirmations and tickets. Have physical or digital backups. Try to get all your documents organized in a pouch when traveling with family. It can make it easy to access at airports or border controls. 5. Comfort and extras for long-term travel. Traveling for a month means packing for comfort and convenience. A reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated is essential, especially in tropical climates. A travel pillow and eye mask. Crucial for long-haul flights or overnight trains. Snacks, great for kids during transit. Pack easy to carry, non-perishable snacks like granola bars. Lightweight day packs, perfect for carrying essentials during day trips. Entertainment, download books, movies, or podcasts for downtime between activities. If you're traveling with kids, bring small games, toys, or coloring books to keep them entertained during flights or at restaurants. 6. Destination-specific items. And in the end, don't forget to pack for your destination's unique activities. If you're heading to Mauritius, pack snorkeling gear or water shoes. For trips to Tenerife, include hiking boots for exploring its volcanic landscapes. Visiting cultural hotspots like Cyprus, a lightweight scarf or wrap can be useful for entering religious sites. And if you're relaxing on the beaches of St. Lucia, bring a waterproof phone case for stunning underwater photos. When you are packing for a weeks-long trip, it doesn't always have to be stressful. With these tips that we have provided, you now must be ready to handle anything. May it be the serene beaches or the bustling city banks. Always remember, traveling should be about making memories and not lugging around the heavy luggage. And whenever it comes to planning memorable vacations for you and your family, 7 Seas Holidays got you covered always. With our family-friendly inclusive packages, you will be stress-free with everything you need. Are you ready to start planning your new adventures? Head over to the website of 7 Seas Holidays today and let us turn your travel dreams into a reality.